Tushiyah Yisrael is the owner of the Loc Lounge in Raleigh, North Carolina. She specializes in lock extensions, reattachments, repairs, instant locks, color correction, and wicks. She'll use a lower volume developer for a longer period of time. She mixes in a hair protectant to strengthen the hair during the lift. To avoid an orange tone, she tones every step of the way. Then she adds the colorful dye. The hair is retwisted and styled. She keeps in mind the scalp's pressure points and uses tensionless techniques when styling. That ensures that she's securing a lock without pulling on the client's hair. Tushiyah hopes to share more of her skills as a loctician with the hairstyling community.